Hello, everyone. Hello. I hope everybody is doing well on this Freedom Friday. I'm going to share this. Hello, everyone. My phone is about to go dead, but I wanted to pop on really quick and do this room tour for you guys. I know I post a lot of condos and deals and travel deals inside of my group, so I definitely wanted to show you guys one of the properties that's on the list that I'm able to book and things like that. So I wanted to show you guys before, we got started unpacking and everything. So if you're watching this live, go ahead and drop a 1. If you're watching the replay, drop a 2. So we're gonna go ahead. If y'all are ready for me to go ahead and do the room tour, let me know in the comments and go ahead and let's get this started. Hello, everybody. Again, if you are looking for travel accommodations for upcoming holidays, Memorial Day, beach vacations, or whatever, make sure you let me know. All right, so let me around. So this is a 2-bedroom, 2-bath. So when you walk in the door, this is what you see here. So when you come in, this is the hallway. Of course, we just stopped ourselves. Nice beach decor. Nice beach decor. All right, so you come on in. Here is the overview from right here of the whole entire place. So then you come in, here is the kitchen area, full-size kitchen, stainless steel appliances, lots of countertops, lots of space for you to cook, entertain, and things like that. If you are looking for, entertainment space, this is the view from the living room and all that stuff here. As you first, come in. So here is the kitchen, you guys, coffee maker, tons of all the appliances, lots of cooking utensils, things like that. Dishwasher. Let me show you a lot of glasses and mixing bowls. Nice refrigerator. So when you come in here, here's a separate pantry, which just has the hot water heater, and it has a separate washer and dryer here. Of course, with all the tools and things you need. So when you come back in here, again back into the kitchen, nice pantry, pots, pans, all that good stuff is in there. So if you need to do any cooking, you have all the supplies you need for that. So then you come on in this way and you go to the left. To the left here is a big, spacious bedroom here. It is a double queen bed, it looks like. So this room here sleeps 4 people. Very spacious, very clean. Looks really good in here, you guys. Carpet's nice. A chest and TV. This is a window here that you can open for light, but there's also a lamp there, things like that. So we come in this way. Here you go. You come in, here is a bathroom that is connected to this room over there. So yeah, nice clean bathroom. Go on back out. Again, here's a large dining table for you to entertain and eat and do all that good stuff. Come on around. Here is the living area here. Nice couch, looks nice. All right. Here is the master bedroom here. That's what it looks like. There is a bathroom inside as well. So you come on out here on the balcony here. Lots of chairs, nice seating. And here is the water view straight from here. So yeah, beautiful, beautiful. Just wanted to come and share it with you guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this view. I can see a lot of mornings here. Relaxation. So yeah, if you like this video, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up.